Let's do some EFT tapping together for overthinking. And really, we're overthinking because there's a lot we don't want to feel. Let's go to the side of the hand here. Actually allow your mind to do whatever it's doing. Allow it to think as much as it is, as you repeat after me. Even though I am thinking and analyzing a lot, I choose to honor and accept myself and my mind. Even though I can't stop overthinking, I choose to have compassion for myself and whatever my mind is looking for to feel safe. Even though I can't stop thinking, I may have already analyzed my options. I may have no new information here, but I just can't stop thinking. I choose to have compassion for myself and everything that's actually going on here for me. All right, let's go through the points now and say, yeah, I can't stop thinking. My mind just keeps racing. And maybe some part of me is saying, all right, it's time to get into action. I just need to make a decision. I just need to do it. But I am noticing that the more I try to stop thinking, the more I tell myself, just act, the thoughts push back harder. And I'm going to shift my approach here. I'm going to allow myself to notice. Okay, the reason I keep thinking and analyzing is that something doesn't feel comfortable to me right now. Noticing any tension in my body, and noticing what about this situation feels like it could be potentially dangerous if I were to make the wrong decision. Or if I were to just, quote unquote, let it go. I'm open to not making my racing mind and the fears and tension in my body, not making them wrong, not trying to tap them away so I can act, but instead become curious. Hey, what's really going on here for me? What feels uncomfortable about this? And noticing that when I start analyzing, my attention goes to the thinking rather than all this discomfort or fear or doubt. Oh, maybe that's part of the strategy here. Okay, thanks for thinking to try to protect me from feeling. But I've just noticed that it doesn't work in the long term. How about I choose to feel this? How about I allow the emotions that come up? When I think about this situation and what I'm concerned about, hoping that thinking will solve it, but knowing it won't. Turning my attention inward to the physical and emotional experience. I give myself permission to feel this. the more I feel this, the more my body and nervous system learn, oh, I can handle this feeling. It's not comfortable, but I can handle it. I don't have to escape into thought. I don't have to expect that some magical answer is going to come from thinking more. As I process through the feelings in my body, then the answers can come to me. Part of me may know what I need to do, but is afraid of the consequence. And that's because I think it will feel too bad for me to handle. But I'm giving myself little bits of evidence right now. Hey, we can handle these feelings. We can process them. I am certain that things happened to me in my past where I was too young to really handle it. And so now it comes up as fear and trying to use thinking to solve it. I appreciate that younger self, but now I am learning and growing. I can feel this. Once my mind has processed the information, I can now feel through what I need to and allow the wisdom and intelligence of my body to bring its very necessary voice to this. I don't need to judge my thinking. I don't need to try to quiet my mind. I just need to feel through what's connected to this. And everything will settle on its own. Okay, take a breath. And let yourself repeat that. There may be a lot more unfelt emotion around this. I will link to a video explaining a little bit about those emotions, as well as a link in the description for a guide that will help you understand and give you more tools to have this better relationship with yourself that allows you to feel and not have to be ruminating in your head all day. It's a much better way to live, I promise you. Talk to you soon.